Welcome back to another MansionArizona.com luxury home tour. Our first one in Paradise Valley, so really excited. I need to thank Gene Hastings with eXp Realty, the listing agent on this home, and the sellers for letting me take you guys on a tour of this stunning home. Backyard. Why am I starting in the backyard? Because look at this freaking view. This is amazing. Now that I've teased you with that insane backyard, let's go back into the house. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 5,000 square foot home. This home was completely renovated down to the studs. New electric, new plumbing, new everything. This is basically a new house. Now in Paradise Valley, if you're not familiar, there's a lot of older homes, as Paradise Valley was established a long time ago, like 40s, 50s, 60s, so you get a lot of homes that are that age. The beauty of Paradise Valley is every single home is on at least an acre. Lots of space to not feel like you're on top of your neighbors. From this great room when you enter the home, to the right, we've got 3 of our 4 bedrooms. One that is kind of a quasi-primary suite. There's almost 2 primary suites here. I'll let you guys decide which one is the primary suite, but every single bedroom here has its own ensuite bath. So let's go check out the rooms down this hallway. Welcome to what I'm going to call primary suite option 1. And I'll show you why I think this one might be considered the primary suite. Partially it's a bathroom, which I'll show you in a second, but the other thing are these amazing views. This is just ridiculous. Beautiful thing, we're going to stay here till dark because you guys are not going to believe what it looks like at night. You're in for a treat. Okay, so the bathroom. Stopping here, we have 2 walk-in closets. That's one reason why this might be the primary suite. The other is the size of this bathroom. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, and we'll show you in a second. Showers are great size. Yeah, it feels primary. But let's check out the other one. Welcome to primary suite option 2. I'll let you guys vote down in the comments below which one you would consider the primary suite. Also a good sized room, about the same size as the other one. Still, again, stunning views out of the corner windows here. Bathroom, let's take a look at that. We've got just 1 closet in this one, and not a lot of main space, but the shower looks slightly bigger than the other one. So I'm not sure. Let's go with 2 primary suites, 2 guest bedrooms. Here we are in the kitchen with this enormous granite island with waterfall edges, and it's actually book matched here in the middle, which is one of the top trends right now in granite, is book matched granite. So this island is just beautiful. There's also 2 dishwashers that are hidden because they've got custom cabinet fronts. You know what else is hidden? The refrigerator and the freezer. You've got a double-sided fridge here. You just press and they open. No handles because you don't need them. You just press in and it opens up for you. Freezer on this side. The fridge, oven, and microwave, the cooktop are all Miele appliances. The dishwashers are decor, really top of the line across the board in this gorgeous kitchen. And then, as definitely a statement piece in this home, is this beautiful wine cellar storage room. It is climate humidity controlled, just like you want for your fine wines, but definitely on display here with RGB lighting to set the mood for whatever kind of entertaining you're doing in this home. And just off behind the kitchen's on the other side of this wall, we have this beautiful dining room. I love these vertical, narrow windows that definitely calls back to a lot of the architecture in this Paradise Valley area on some of the older homes. So I love that feature on the house. And then again, more stunning views. Like, there's only 1 bedroom that doesn't have amazing views. So that's where you put the in-laws. The flooring in this home is absolutely stunning. There is no other word that I have for it. It is a beautiful blonde, natural looking engineered hardwood. It is just gorgeous. Like, I see a lot of different floorings in homes, and this is just so clean, so elegant. It really is going to work with almost any kind of design and decor. It's just so well thought out. Across the back of the house, to open up the inside to the outside, you have these giant sliders. Now you have the perfect inside-outside entertaining in this Paradise Valley beauty. This backyard is just beautiful with this spa here, the main part of the pool, but it just all overlooks all of this. Just to give you an idea of what you're looking at, over the hills over there is Fountain Hills. You can't see them, but you see 4 peaks up there, all of North Scottsdale and Paradise Valley. That direction you kind of get to where you can see parts of Phoenix, but this is almost all looking north and slightly to the east. The McDowell Mountains are just gorgeous right now. All right, you guys ready for it? Here it comes. Let's see if this works. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you so much for coming along with me on this amazing luxury home tour. This is really, truly a special property. I mentioned it before, this home is currently being listed for $5.88 million. If it is still available, you'll see a link down in the description below. If you're interested in this home, reach out to me, give me a call or send me a text. Now I'm gonna go back out to that patio and enjoy just a few more minutes of those city light views. We'll see you guys next time.